Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best tongs for kitchen on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Oxo Good Grips 12-inch tongs. Thousands of online reviewers, and one of our editors, gave the Oxo Good Grips stainless steel locking tongs rave reviews, making these some of the most popular tongs on the market. The tongs, which also come in a 9-inch version, are affordable, and several users report them being simple and comfortable to use, with the proper amount of tension in the spring to allow for gripping food items with ease. A pull tab at the end of the handles will lock the tongs closed for easy drawer storage. A hole in the pull tab allows them to be hung if needed. These tongs also come in 9-inch and 16-inch sizes. Made of durable, long-lasting stainless steel, Oxo Good Grips tongs can withstand very high temperatures, so they're great for turning or flipping items that are being prepared in high heat. These tongs have removable rubber inserts on the handles for easy and comfortable gripping. The tongs are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Material: stainless steel and silicone. Length: 14 into 1 into 2 inches. Weight: 0.4 pounds. Heat resistance: 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Dishwasher safe? Yes. What we love: easy to use, good spring tension, durable construction, comfortable grip, locks for easy storage. What we don't love: some say that spring tension gives out over time. Tongs sometimes don't lock properly. Number 2. Second best pick is Daily Kizzen Kitchen Tongs. This colorful set of tongs received thousands of positive ratings online, with reviewers loving that the 3 sizes added versatility to their ability to perform tasks in the kitchen. Users also say they can be used to pick up everything from heftier items such as steaks to delicate items like asparagus because they have good tension. Many users also appreciate the silicone tips that make cooking in non-stick pans possible. They also highlighted how easily the set cleans up either in the dishwasher or using soap and water, and how great the tool's value is for their price. Material: stainless steel and silicone. Length: 7, 9, and 12 inches. Weight: 11.2 ounces. Heat resistance: up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. Dishwasher safe? Yes. What we love: great value for the price, versatile, easy to clean. What we don't love: some say the locking mechanism failed, but the silicone tips are not super durable. Number 3. Third best pick is Weber Precision Grill Tongs. Tongs that are used for grilling, barbecuing, or any cooking involving an open flame or the extreme heat coming off of a charcoal grill by necessity need to be a few inches longer than the average set of tongs to avoid getting burned. The main things I look for when I select tongs for grilling is the length of the tongs. I want a long ring so the hair on my knuckles won't burn off over the fire, says Jason Ganal, founder of GK Barbecue, barbecue champion, and self-proclaimed maestro of meat, based in Denver. I also look for sturdiness. I want something that will last for years, not just 1 or 2 grilling seasons. Among the best features of the tongs, reviewers highlight the length being important, the tongs' teeth providing an excellent grip on the food, and the self-closure mechanism that locks the tongs when you squeeze them closed. Material: stainless steel. Length: 18 into 1.7 into 2 inches. Weight: 1.4 pounds. Heat resistance: 480 degrees Fahrenheit. Dishwasher safe? Yes. What we love: good length for barbecuing, self-closing feature, good amount of tension, sturdy. What we don't love: maybe too long to fit in a regular kitchen drawer. Number 4. Fourth best pick is Tenta Stainless Steel Kitchen Tongs. When it comes to serving, tongs are a useful utensil to have, whether at an informal family meal or an event with a buffet. Though these tongs are designed for serving, many online reviewers report that they also work well when cooking. They're lightweight and do not have a locking closure or a hinge, making them more aesthetically pleasing than utilitarian, other users say. Still, their high polish finish adds a touch of class. These tongs are perfect for serving, and for the price, They're easy to replace if needed, says Kristen Haslett, a Denver-based personal chef and recipe developer. Their size provides versatility, whether you're plating salads or serving a delicate fish fillet. They are easy to clean and just go into the dishwasher after an event. Reviewers described using them for events, and that they liked that the tongs are lightweight, easy to handle, easy to clean, and a good size to work with. Material: stainless steel, length 12 into 1.8 into 0.8 inches, weight 0.4 pounds, heat resistance 480 degrees Fahrenheit, dishwasher safe? Yes. What we love. Professional look and feel: reviewers say they're great for buffets and meals. What we don't love. Some say these are too lightweight. Number 5. Fifth best pick is SOLEADER Mini Serving Tongs. Made from food-grade 340 stainless steel, these small tongs won't corrode or rust, they're made to last. They're mirror-polished and thus are a great addition to any bar or serving setup. These tongs have smooth edges and no hinge. Plus, according to reviewers, they're a good weight to hold comfortably and pick up items with ease. Their size is designed for serving small things like sugar cubes, cookies, ice cubes, brownies, slices of cheese or meat from platters, pickles, and shredded items. Reviewers online gave these tongs mostly positive ratings, saying that they were great for serving and entertaining, and aren't thin and flimsy. Furthermore, users say that the tongs look and feel like a quality item. Purchasers also reported being able to run them through a dishwasher without a problem. Material: stainless steel, length 6.3 into 3.9 into 0.4 inches, weight 0.2 pounds, heat resistance up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, dishwasher safe? Yes. What we love. Surprisingly effective at gripping small items, users like them for ice, toppings, and appetizers, attractive, long-lasting. What we don't love. Mainly decorative. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.